Hi, this is Koby from Performance Toyota located in Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to go through you on a 2018 Camry, how to check your antifreeze coolant level. At that time, we're going to pop the hood for your first step. Make sure that the hood is properly in the upright position. This vehicle will have hood struts, so you do not have to put a hood prop. At that time, you're going to look to the left of the engine compartment. Usually it's located right around where the washer fluid is. If not, it's located in the front of the engine compartment, right by the radiator. At that time, you're going to want to see where the max and minimum is on the solvent container itself. Now, when you're checking your coolant level, you want to make sure that the vehicle is not at operating temperature. You want to make sure that the vehicle is either sat for an extended period of time, maybe overnight, 2 or 3 hours. You definitely don't want to go drive it for an hour and then check where your coolant level is. And you're all set and ready to rock and roll. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at 610-678-3425 or contact us at performancetoyotapa.com.